So we have our Royce Silver Shadow back in the garage. A couple of months ago we were doing the back brakes and we are solving the problem of the right height valves, which were failing miserably. The new reconditioned unit could fail as soon as after 1,000 kilometers. So after a couple of thousand kilometers we have the car back. We check in if there is any leaks or any problems, which we don't see. And so we also we did the brakes the other day, a couple of months ago. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check and redo the front brakes, which we have two calipers per wheel. We strip them, check them. We probably gonna replace this pipe, as it looks like it's kinked. So yeah, we're gonna change the oil, and also what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the bumpers and send them to be re-chromed. So this is the element of the valve. I got this one off eBay. This is the seal from the valve I removed from the vehicle. You can see it's damaged. So you can see the rubber is very soft. This is the seal from the original. The seal have 25 or 30 years. You can see the dimensions, the design. It's pretty much the same, but it's much harder. Now, this is the original seal from the original set, brand new. Yeah, I checked the dimensions earlier. They're the same. The design is the same. So I had the reconditioned unit, which I decided not to fit. Which had the seals like that. You might be able to see it here, maybe not. Yeah, but if you measure it, you can see clearly it's slightly bigger than the original one. But the reason for that is the rubber, it's reacting with the brake fluid, which is a special hydraulic fluid. You could see the edge. You can see the edge here and here. So the first design is a bit different. You still see the bottom lip, which was on the side of the fluid. It's actually sticking out because it's swollen much more. That's another one of these. Yeah, they're also very soft. So we spent a while to test different materials, and we got developed this, which doesn't react with the fluid, doesn't swell, and you can see inside you have 2 grooves instead of original 1 groove. So the design is a bit different. The overall the dimensions are the same. This is designed, tested in the high pressure hydraulic systems, which we know it works. So the biggest problem was to find the material which would not react with the would not react with the fluid. As you can see on the car, we succeeded.